Experiment 54. Sprout up. Tools needed from kit. Test tube holder and joint. 4 test tubes. A measuring scoop. Ingredients needed from home. Water. Radish seeds. Ingredients needed from kit. Packet number 10, which is your water-absorbing polymer crystals. Instructions. Assemble the test tube holder just like before. Then put 1 scoop of water-absorbing polymer crystals from packet 10 into test tubes 1 and 2. Next, fill test tubes 1 and 2 with 15 ml of water. Next, add a few seeds to test tubes 1 and 2. Now we're going to move on to test tube number 3. Put 1 scoop of polymer into the test tube. Put 1 scoop of packet number 10 water-absorbing polymer crystals into test tube number 3. Step 2. Add a few seeds to test tube number 3. Leave test tube 3 in the holder. Moving on to test tube number 4. Put 1 scoop of water-absorbing polymer crystals into the test tube. Next, add a few seeds to the test tube. Fill the test tube with water up to the 15 ml line. Next, close the cap of this test tube and we're going to leave it in the test tube holder. Make sure to put test tube number 2 in the refrigerator. Check on the test tubes in a few days. See if there are any differences. Which seeds grew best?